Hi, I'm Trevor Conkergood, and this video is about one of the new features in the update for Winter 2020. And what this is about is for people that have both Total Quilter and the Floriani embroidery software, then this preference is going to be for you. You see, right now, you can tell I have Total Quilter installed because there's all the different Total Quilter tools blended in with our FTCU tools. And there's a little difference in the way that Total Quilter works compared to the way that Floriani embroidery software works. And just to demonstrate that, I'm going to start a new space. I'm going to select a piece of artwork, and then I'm going to fill that artwork in with thread by simply clicking on one of the tools. And when I did that, because I have Total Quilter installed, the new stitches were formed and the artwork remained in place. And that is a little bit different than the way FTCU works, because in FTCU, if you select a piece of artwork and click on the convert tools, the artwork is replaced with the stitches. And so for people that have both Total Quilter and FTCU, it becomes a change in the workflow. And there were lots of requests, could we control that? And so what we've done is added, and it's under the program preferences. So right up here, you click on program preferences, and you'll notice that there's now a tab for Total Quilter. And so right now, the only feature that you can kind of choose in there is whether or not you want to keep the artwork keep artwork segments in embroidery conversion. What that means is if I uncheck this, it'll behave how FTCU normally behaves. In other words, now if I click on that bird and click down here, the bird becomes replaced and the artwork is gone again. So it kind of becomes a preference if you own both softwares and you prefer to have it one way or the other. Then the way you turn that on and off is under Program Preferences on the tab for Total Quilter, where you can ask it to keep the artwork segments when you convert them into embroidery or not. And so again, if I turn that on, and then let's just get another piece of artwork, grab this little baby onesie, and when I come and click on one of the tools, the artwork remains. So again, that's only for people that have both Total Quilter and either Fusion or FTCU. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you enjoy everything that's new in the Winter 2020 updates.